Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. So in this tutorial today we are going to create a little project where our background screen will change to multiple colors. So let's dive straight. We're going to create a file called index.html and we're going to add a boilerplate to it. So our title will be background color, and we're going to create a div background color. So we're going to add our h1, which is background color. So we're going to add a button with an ID of btn, change color. So this is all we need for our HTML. So the next thing to do, we're going to create another file and then name is styles.css. So we're going to style it a little bit. So let's check our live preview and see. So this is what we have. So we're going to make this text to be in the middle. So we're going to style it a little bit. We've created a file called styles.css. So the next we'll do is we will link our styles to our HTML. Links, styles. So styles.css. So we're now going to style it a little bit. Body. So we're going to give it a display of flex, justify, content, center, align, item, center, and height. We're going to give it a height of 100 visible height. So this is all we need for our styling. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to create another file called script.css rather, or gs. So, and we're going to link that script to our HTML again. Script.gs. Script.gs. So now, for we to know that our script has linked to our HTML, we're going to check if it is linked by using console.log script loaded. So let's go to our browser now and check if we will see our exactly. So this script here has loaded. Now let's proceed to our code. Make our background screen change to multiple color. So we're going to declare a variable const btn equals to document.get element by id btn. So we're going to create another variable const colors equals to an array of different colors. We have red, we have blue, we have blue, we have green, we have green, we have purple, we have orange. So let's go by these colors for now. So now we're going to add event listener to our button. So this variable here, btn, that calls our btn id, we're going to set btn add event listener. So what do we want after the event listener? We want a click. It's a click we want. So now we're going to declare another variable const. Let's say random colors is equals to. Now we are going to create a function here, and that function will be change color. So we're going to call this function later on. This very function change color, we're going to call it later on in our code. So now we're going to say document dot body dot style dot background color is equals to this variable we declare here. It's equals to what? That variable, which is what? Random, which is random color. So now we are going to call that function now, this change color function. We're going to call this, we're going to declare that function now. So we're going to say function is what? Change color. So we're going to declare another variable const. Index is equals to math floor math dot random times our what? Number of colors we have, then the length times the length. So we're going to return the color now, return colors. Then this variable we declare here, index. So let's see how to work exactly. So this is how to make your background color change to multiple color using HTML, CSS, and then the JavaScript. So here is it. This is how to do it. If you find my tutorial interesting, like and follow for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.